Hello, my name is Douglas Walker. Today we will check out how to change our text size. It really is super great that we have been given the ability to enlarge our text size across all of our native apps. Now, to turn on our large text feature, we will need to head to our settings app. We just so happen to have our settings app open here. We are actually in our accessibility settings. Now, our large text feature is actually under our display and text size settings. So we'll just open our display and text size settings here, and we'll just open that here by touching it. Great, our display and text size is open. And here we see our large text button here. So we'll just touch it to open up our large text settings here. So we'll just touch. Okay, our large text settings are open. So we'll just need to toggle on our large text toggle switch here to the right. We'll go ahead and just touch that to turn it on here. Yeah, and now that our large text is enabled, we have a slider bar here at the bottom of our screen for adjusting our text size. So let's go ahead and check out how this works. Yeah, we're going to have a little bubble in the center here of our adjustable bar. So if we just touch that and hold our finger on our screen, as we slide our finger to the right, we notice that our text size increases. And of course, if we slide it back to the left, it would decrease as well. So let's slide it up and make it a little larger here for us. There you go. This is great because we already see what a big difference this makes right here in our settings. So how about we head to a couple of apps and check out how all of this looks? So how about let's we'll close this and we'll head to our news app here. Wow, we already notice what a huge difference our text size makes for us here in our news app. And we'll close this and head on over to our music app here. Yeah, and we notice, wow, all of our text is much larger here for us as well. It's pretty easy to see that having the ability to adjust the text size across all of our native apps is a huge game changer for low vision users. It can really help to reduce our eye fatigue throughout the course of our day. Again, my name is Douglas Walker, and this is just the first in a series of videos on how to make using your phone just a bit easier. Learn how to turn on features designed specifically for people with low vision or blindness. You'll find the rest of this series on the Hadley website at hadley.edu. Hadley is a nonprofit that offers practical help on a wide range of topics. Guess what? It's totally free of charge. So head on over to get started, and I'll see you there.